Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and customize your Snapchat shortcuts. So if you want to remove or add anyone in your Snapchat shortcut, then this video is for you. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First, make sure your Snapchat app is updated. If is not, go on your App Store or Play Store and update app. So let's open a Snapchat app on your device. Then I'm going to take a black snap for a purpose of this video. When you do that, click on Send in button right corner. Now you'll see your all Snapchat shortcut in the top of the screen. Now you need to tap on this shortcut button in top right corner. This will open a menu with all your shortcuts. Next, go to tap on any shortcut you want to edit. Now, if you want to add someone, just tap on people you want to add. Or if you want to remove someone, just tap on people he's already add. When you're done, just tap on save, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.